First of all, what we want to do is to go onto it, is make a new folder. Just name whatever you want, and then we're going to add this code to the after it. And then we click the folder, and now we have a bunch of default themes for Windows, and the high contrast ones. Discord light mode be like. Okay, so but if this selection of themes isn't too good, or you want to customize the background, well, first of all, what you want to do is to go on an activated version of Windows, and then send the folder over to it, and then select it, and then select the theme that you want to send to your other PC. So right click it, then press Save Theme for sharing. Then name it whatever you want to, then save it. Then you send it over to your other PC, then select it, and there we go. It's actually that easy to bypass. Although once again, don't actually do this unless you haven't already have an activated version, because otherwise Microsoft is going to hunt me and you down. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, share this with all of your friends, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to never miss another video. Bye guys.